how to log into your Activision account on new console. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is, of course, to launch your game. What you're going to do is turn on your console and launch the Activision game, such as Call of Duty. It could be like Crash, Team Rumble, or any sort of Activision title, right? So after doing that, you can simply go to the lock screen, and then in here you can simply select the option sign in or log in with an Activision account. Simply click on login in order to sign in, right? So after doing that, you can choose a method. It could be your email address, phone number, or your Activision ID. Simply select that, and then you can enter your details. Enter the email address or the phone number or the Activision ID associated with your account. Then select next. Then you can simply enter the password of your account, and after doing that, here if you have enabled your two-factor authentication, then you'll be able to, you will need to add in the code sent to your email address or the mobile number. You can simply enter the verification code, and once you do that, you can simply click on verify, and like that you'll successfully be logged into your account. So once signed in, your Activision account will be linked to your console, and you'll successfully have your progress. You'll be able to have the access to your progress, friends, rewards, and also multiple multiplayer features. So after doing that, you can start managing your account if you want. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.